Welcome to the Kids Classes, your first learning. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Today we will learn action verbs. Let's start. Run. Run means दौड़ना. Jump. Jump means कूदना. Eating. Eating means खाना. Sleep. Sleep means सोना. Read. Read means पढ़ना. Write. Write means लिखना. Swim. Swim means तैरना. Sing. Sing means गाना. Dance. Dance means नाच. Talk. Talk means बात करना. Listen. Listen means सुनना. Laugh. Laugh means हंसना. Cry. Cry means रोना. Play. Play means खेलना. Cooking. Cooking means खाना बनाना. Drive. Drive means गाड़ी चलाना. Walk. Walk means चलना. Climb. Climb means चढ़ना. Fly. Fly means उड़ना. Build. Build means बनाना. Smile. Smile means मुस्कान. Study. Study means अध्ययन. Teach. Teach means सिखाना. Learn. Learn means सीखना. Help. Help means मदद. Ride. Ride means सवारी. Hurt. Hurt means चोट. Paint. Paint means रंगना. Push. Push means धकेलना. Pull. Pull means खींचना. Fight. Fight means लड़ाई. Win. Win means जीतना. Lose. Lose means हारना. Travel. Travel means यात्रा. Clean. Clean means सफाई. Open. Open means खोलना. Close. Close means बंद करना. Think. Think means सोचना. Drink. Drink means पीना. Sit. Sit means बैठना. Stand. Stand means खड़ा होना. Taste. Taste means स्वाद. Fall. Fall means गिरना. Yawn. Yawn means जमा ही लेना. Wash. Wash means धोना. Slip. Slip means फिसलना. Dream. Dream means सपना. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.